Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on the Shein application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in option at the bottom section, which you can tap on and then enter your credentials to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, you will see the various different items that are on offer. Now, if you wish to buy any of these items, you will first need to add a payment information. So tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner and then tap on Settings at the top right. You will now find the My Payment Options option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will see Add a credit or debit card. Tap on the plus icon and now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your card number within the card number section, and after entering this number, you will need to enter your expiration date. After entering your expiration date, type in your CVV number, which you will find at the back side of your card. Once you enter all of these credentials, you can tap on the Confirm button, and once your payment information has been verified, this information will be linked with your Shein account. And now every time you need to buy something, you can simply proceed with checkout, and the payment will be deducted right from your card once you allow the permission. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add payment method on the Shein application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.